Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to stay consistent on YouTube. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how to actually stay consistent on YouTube. Because you see, I've been putting out videos every single day for about, I don't know how long, but a few months now. It's been staying really consistent, and at the beginning when I first started this channel, I was absolutely terrible at this. And when I say terrible, like, I really did want to make a video every day, but it just wasn't working out. I just was struggling. I, had other things that would come into play, and I just wouldn't make a video that day, and I would say, alright, too bad, I'll do it tomorrow. And so that day there was no video, but that didn't happen one time. It happened like about 2 or 3 times a week. So it just wasn't going where I wanted to be. And when you want to really stay consistent to like a real schedule, you really want to make time for it, because no matter what your schedule, what you want your schedule to be, maybe it's twice a week, 3 times a week, or just like me, every single day. You really have to make sure that like, have a time where you're actually going to do this. So, no matter if you work a full-time job or not, or you're at school or something else, you really want to make sure that like, at this time, this is how I'm going to do it. It does take some time to edit, to make, the thumbnails and all these different things that, come into play to actually make your video. So it does take some time. So if you don't figure out when you want to actually do this time, then, it's, just not going to work out. And by the way, stay until the end of this video, because I've got like this biggest tip I'm going to give you at the end of this video. So the next thing is you really want to know where you want to be. So many people don't really, like, they want to make a video like, once a week or twice a week or once like every day, but if you don't know where you want to be, then it's not going to drive you enough. Like, think about it, where are you right now, and if you don't do it, what would happen? That's something that you really have to take care of. Like, I always, like, not always, but sometimes I talk about visualizing where you want to be, and that's actually quite important for you to do, because if you don't actually visualize where you want to be next, then you're going to struggle so much, because you don't really have a clear vision. So maybe you want to get that nice house. So if you want to get that nice house, then picture yourself of opening that door and closing it behind you, and having that grey couch at the right, and having massive TV, and like, picture exactly like the whole details, how it would smell like, and like every different thing. And not everyone wants a huge house. Maybe you just not want to go to your job, but think about what your day would look like, where you would be. Like, maybe it would be some better weather than where you are right now. Maybe you want a nicer car. Maybe it really depends. Maybe you want to live on a farm. But no matter what it is, you have to picture yourself actually like living that lifestyle that you want to live. And maybe it's, a really cheap lifestyle, and that's alright, but you really have to picture yourself of where you want to be, because otherwise it just won't get you anywhere. So, you'll be able to focus so much more. If you don't have what you want to have, then that will just motivate you so much more to actually stay consistent. So really make sure that you know where you want to be. The next thing that I want to talk about, and this is something that absolutely changed everything for me when I got this idea. You know, when I was doing this, I would film a video and, you know, upload it the same day, and that was it. But that's, you know, it just doesn't work like that, because I'm putting out a video every day, and I'm talking about Saturdays and Sundays included, you know, public holidays, you know, no matter what, I'm putting out a video every single day. But, you know, if you're filming a video every day and putting out that same video the same day, it just won't work out. So what I do is I film multiple videos every single day. So maybe, you know, you want to move around. Sometimes I was filming like 4 videos or 5 videos like in one day, and then I would just, you know, stop for a day. Or right now I'm filming 3 videos today, and then I'm going to film 3 videos tomorrow as well. You know, so you just have to find out what your schedule is, but you really need, like, really need to actually film like multiple videos a day. Like, if you don't batch videos together, it just won't get you anywhere. Like, you'll notice that a lot of times I wear the same clothes, and that's the reason why, because I do that. And I know that a lot of big YouTubers that put out videos every day, they do the same. Some of them change clothes, and that's alright, you know, you want to, you know, keep it real. It really depends on you. But, you know, I want to be honest with you, like, I film a video every day, but I don't film one video every day. I film at least 3 videos every single day. Sometimes it's 4 or 5. You know, I've done up to 6, maybe sometimes I'll do 7. I haven't done that yet. The biggest I've made is 6 videos in one single day. But, you know, you really have to see what works with you, because, you know, maybe one day you might get sick. Maybe you'll have something that just happens in your life, because life happens, and you'll have to do something else. And no matter what, you'll have videos in advance, so it doesn't really matter. Like, if that happens, then like you'll be okay. Your video will come out, and you'll be able to deal with whatever you're doing. You know, maybe like, you know, on the weekends, I don't even film a video, because I just take that time off to refuel. Even though I do enjoy filming these videos, I don't film my videos on the weekends, because I've seen so many people on YouTube burn out that I don't want the same to be happening with me. And it seems to be happening quite well. So, you know, the fact that I don't film my videos on, like, a video on the weekend, you know, it helps me refuel and get right back to filming my videos during the week, which I absolutely love. Like, there's no question about that, even though it was really hard when I first started. And that's another point that, you know, I want to point out, is that your first video will be very hard to film and will suck. Like if you watch my first video, it was absolutely terrible. So, you know, that's just the way it is. You just have to stay consistent and actually keep, you know, like, filming videos, like multiple videos every single day. If you don't do that, it's just going to go to hell, and I don't want that to happen to you, because my point of this channel is to be able to help you guys out. It's not really about me, even though I take myself as an example sometimes. This video is about helping you guys, so I really hope that, you know, you get some value out of these videos. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.